Karizal bami minta kasngi jong kapus Industrial Promotion Officer / Assistant Industries Officer / Superintendent of Industries under the Directorate of Commerce and Industries kapus mandu April 2016 conduct the commission on the 14, 15 and 16 February 2020 is hereby declared. The name of the successful candidate are in order of merit. Number 1, Nakita Lagentiu Marpanyang from unreserved category. Priya Baki M. Lalu Khasi Jaintia, Chinar Litan Khasi Jaintia, Shanbor Lang Starfield Kedosau Khasi Jaintia, Stephen Son Pale Khasi Jaintia, Emmanuel Krabor Mausor Khasi Jaintia, Madgrik Simara Garo, Erningstone Rongregre Sangma Garo, Filemon di Sangma Garo, Manjit Arang Garo, Jeremy and Sangma Garo, Kesha Ware Sangma Garo and Harsha Hajong, Odar ST and SC category. Ikne ki candidate ki bala select yakne ki post.